This is a sad deletion because actually I think one of the discoveries of the film is Elizabeth Debicki, and I think her Jordan defines the role in a really fantastic way. I've certainly heard that from other people, and she's a great woman, young woman, and she's a fantastic young actor who I think will have an illustrious career. You know, the problem was that we started to recognize as we were shooting it. And look, I shot farewell scenes between Nick and Jordan.
Probity Trust, Caraway speaking.
You weren't very nice to me the other night. However, I do want to see you. I'm at the club in Southampton, but I could come into town if you like.
What happens in the book, and Fitzgerald can do it in the book, Jordan sort of fades away. He says, she was talking on the phone and then about the country club, and then we weren't talking anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I just can't.
I suppose it was a mistake to give a damn about you. But I did. How careless of me. Nick? Nick, are you there?
We had a fading away. I mean, Jordan does fade away. And I don't mean that in a negative sense. It's just that in Nick's mind, he went to the beach on Jordan. Therefore, it was very important, although they did this fantastic kissing scene in the back of what they used to call struggle buggies, which is what they called taxis in the 20s, because young couples used to neck.
They're only the pursued, the pursuing, the busy and the tired.
You say the funniest things. Well, I'm not tired or busy, so I guess that just leaves
Pursued.
So not being able to truly conclude that relationship with Nick, it became clearer and clearer that you needed that to become this very Nick Carraway relationship, in and out. It's an almost relationship. It's an almost they're together. If that became a primary romance, then you had to have a beginning, a middle, and an end, and there simply wasn't enough time to evolve that properly. So whenever I'd play it to audiences, they'd sort of go, oh, they're kissing, and are they on together, and why does it end so abruptly?
It's only 9:30.
No, I've had enough. Of everyone.
It was about staying on the primary romance.